Today, in this EVS class, let us study about the balanced diet. Balanced diet. A diet that contains adequate amounts of all necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. It is also rich with sufficient amount of fiber and various nutrients to ensure good health. So here you can see the pie chart of balanced diet. Here milk and dairy products is about large percentage, and meat, beans, fish and nuts is about less percentage, and fats and oil is very less, and grains is about very large percentage, fruits is about moderate, and vegetables is also about large percentage. Food should also provide the appropriate amounts of energy and water. It should be both adequate and wholesome. A proper combination of fruits, vegetables, grains, and dairy products ensures a balanced diet. So here you can see nutrients in our diet. Which are the nutrients in our diet? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage, and water. So, fats can also be called as lipids. Nutrients that comprise our diet can be divided into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage or fiber, and water. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called balanced diet. What we need for the balanced diet would be depend on the age and the amount of physical work that we do. A balanced diet does not need to incorporate expensive food items. A balanced diet do not need to incorporate expensive food items. Locally produced and seasonally available items should contain adequate nutrition required by the body. Example: pulses, groundnut, soya bean, sprouted seeds, moong and Bengal gram. Fermented foods. South Indian foods such as idlis, a combination of flours. Missi roti, thepla made from cereals and pulses. Foods needed for balanced diet: banana, spinach, jaggery, and all vegetables and all such foods provides a lot of nutrients. To ensure that we get the most out of the food we eat, cooking the food correctly is also important. If the vegetables and fruits are cut and then washed, it may result in the loss of vitamins. The skins of many vegetables and fruits contain vitamins and minerals and fiber, which is essential for the healthy gut. Similarly, rice and pulses should also not be washed repeatedly so that to avoid loss of vitamins and minerals. We all know that cooking improves the taste of food and makes it easier to digest. At the same time, cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. Many useful proteins and considerable amounts of minerals are lost if excess water is used during cooking is then thrown away. It is essential, balanced diet is essential to include in balanced diet, it is essential to include fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet since they provide not only vitamins and minerals but also water and roughage. Also, it would be apt to say the apple day keeps the doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Too much of nutrients like fat would lead to a disease like obesity that causes other diseases. If a person gets too little of a nutrient, then they may suffer from deficiency diseases. Why is a balanced diet important? For healthy body and a healthy mind to maintain weight. Improper diet may result in poor growth. The poor growth results to poor physical and mental health, and this results to diseases, and diseases results to death. Thank you.